Hey guys, Tom is here from Tom's Garage, and now we are going to do an air filter change as part of our general maintenance. What we are going to need is a new filter, a brush, a hoover, and some detergent to make the job done. First, you need to find the air filter's house in the engine bay. Usually, it has got a big plastic house, so you can find it easily. In this case, the filter house is right here. As you can see, the air filter's house is dirty, so we need to clean the dust from it with a hoover. With the brush, you can have the cleaning process. Now we can remove the air filter's cover by pressing these holders. Some cars have screws on the cover. On those cases, you have to unscrew the bolts. Usually after that, you can easily remove the cover and you can find the old air filter. Now you can take a look how does your old filter looks like. As you can see, it stops many dust and dirt getting into your engine. Now we are going to clean the inside of the air filter's house. After we are done with the cleaning, we can put in a new filter to its place. You should do this change once a year or around 10,000 kilometers, depending on your driving conditions. It is a cheap maintenance, but it can save you a lot. Now we can clean the filter's cover with a liquid soap or a window cleaner. As you can see, the brush is really handy. It can fit hard to reach places. After we wash down the cover with water, we can put it back to its place and move back the holders to finish the process. Then we can finish with cleaning the other parts of the air filter's house. If you are not familiar with car parts, you can take the old filter to a local car part dealer, or you can get a new one with your car's traffic license. If the video was helpful for you, please help my channel with a subscribe and thumbs up. Thank you.